I am discussing about climate of hot deserts. Climate of hot deserts. For the climate of hot deserts, so climate of hot deserts means in this region the temperature is very high at daytime. Temperature is very high at daytime. Temperature is very high at daytime. It goes to as approximate 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. And climate is found very dry. So approximate 7 to 8 months of a whole year it is very dry, and it is found 40 degree Celsius to 50 degree Celsius. And rainfall of this region is less than 50 ml. Less than 50 ml to 25 ml. Less than 50 ml to 25 ml it is found. In some areas it is found less than 25 ml also. So approximate less than 50 ml to 25 ml it is found the rainfall of this region. And temperature 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. So in this way you can say that in the daytime temperature is very high, as 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. But when cold season comes, winter season comes, the temperature at night is very fall down, and it goes to 0 degrees Celsius also, and temperature can be fall to minus degrees Celsius also. So in this way, daytime of the temperature of this region in desert regions, means hot desert regions, are very high at 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and at night the temperature goes down and temperature is very less, and the people of this area feel cold at night, because sand particles receive sun rays and they absorb very fastly. Means sand particles absorb the heat energy very fastly, and it also discharges the heat energy very fastly. It goes to in the atmosphere at night, means it cools down very fastly also. Sand particles gets heat very fastly and cools down also very fastly. So at night temperature is found very low. Temperature is found very low in the hot desert area. So in this way you can understand the climate. So climate of hot desert is temperature is very high at daytime, approximate 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and at night the temperature goes down, and the people of this region feel cold at night, because sand particles cools down very fastly at night. And these regions, the areas means land, soil and atmosphere is very dry, and rainfall is approximate less than 50 ml, and some areas it is found less than 25 ml also. In this way you can say that rainfall of the whole year is very less, so that the desert areas, the sand particles flows with the wind and it goes to one place to another place. When the wind blows as fastly, it comes also as dust storm. In the dust storm, sand particles can be flew one place to another place, and it may be make a structure, piling a structure, and different types of structure forms in the desert area. And next, natural vegetation means plant life in the desert area. Next, natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means plant life, you can see. Plant life in the desert area. So natural vegetation is found basically as cactus. Cactus, you know, cactus is very healthy and it is found so much as flesh type stem, and it is also found thorn, small thorn, means the leaf of that plant has been converted into thorn because as to makes its less surface area, so that the effect of temperature, effect of sunlight may be very less, so that transpiration of the plants can be less down. So in this way, natural vegetation, plant life, and baobab tree, also known as bottle tree here, one type of tree is also found, baobab. Baobab tree also found here. It is also called a bottle tree. It is also called bottle tree. So this tree is commonly found in the Kalahari Desert and Australian Desert. Kalahari Desert and Australian Desert it is found, and its shape is barrel shape. Its shape is barrel shape. Barrel shape, and it can hold its trunk, hollow trunk. Trunk is hollow, you know trunk. Trunk is hollow. Hollow means much spacious under the stem, and it can hold the water. It can hold the water over 1000 liters. It can hold the water over 1000 liters. Over 1000 liters. So in this way, the capacity of this plant's trunk is very high. It can store water. It can store water. This plant, barrel shaped plant, as baobab plant, it is also called bottle tree, and shape is barrel shape, and trunk is hollow, and this hollow trunk can be store the water over 1000 liters. Means it can hold the water over 1000 liters. It can store, because you know in the desert area the level of water is very less, and it is found very less amount. Underground water also cannot be found very easily. So it is very tough as to survive the life of the plants also. So basically here plants are found as bushes type, like that a bubble tree, you know, bubble tree. So this type of tree also found as a thorn like, bushes like, and cactus very fleshy, and baobab tree also very fleshy, and other types of also plants here found. So natural vegetation and plant life is also very tough. After that, animal life. What is the animal life in this area? So animal life and human life I will discuss tomorrow. And what is the human life in this area and animal life in this area, you can study today as page number 30 from the book. I will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.